If you don't know the pleasure of making and drinking the Margarita Shack's great-tasting low-calorie powdered margarita mix, then you're not alone. Our great-tasting low-calorie powered margarita mix is handcrafted in the USA, all-natural, gluten-free, and a great source of vitamin C. In addition, it is guaranteed not to wake you up in the middle of the night with heartburn or acid reflux that other margarita mixes are known for. Furthermore, our great-tasting low-calorie margaritas are very easy to make at home in your home blender. All you need to do in order to make a blender full of delicious margaritas is to fill your blender with ice, add 8 ounces of your favorite tequila, 4 ounces of triple sec or orange liqueur, and 1 2-ounce package of our great-tasting low-calorie powdered margarita mix, and hit the liquefy button. Always add more ice than liquid in order to get a perfect frozen margarita. To make Margarita Shack Margaritas on the rocks, forget the ice, and add 20 ounces of water instead. Shake over ice in a shaker or stir in your favorite pitcher. Our great-tasting low-calorie powdered margarita mix comes in 3 delicious flavors, including strawberry, mango, and the original key lime. We also guarantee you'll absolutely love them, or we'll give you a free refund on any unused margarita mix. Get yours today at margaritashack.com and start enjoying the great flavor of our world-famous low-calorie margaritas. Cheers!